Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Workspace for business email and storage, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button. Enter your business name in the provided field. Select how many employees will be using Google Workspace. Provide your business location. Enter your contact information, including your first and last name. Input your current email address. Click Next to proceed. Choose a domain for your business email. If you already own a domain, select the option to use your own domain. If you don't have a domain, select the option to purchase one through Google. Follow the prompts to either verify your existing domain or purchase a new domain. Once your domain is verified, return to the setup process. Create your business email address ending with your chosen domain. Click Next to continue. Set up a password for your account. Confirm the password to ensure accuracy. Proceed to the account setup by clicking Next. Add any additional employees who will need access to Google Workspace. You can invite users later if you're setting up new accounts. Review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm your business plan and click Checkout. Enter your billing information to finalize the purchase. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on Start Free Trial to begin using Google Workspace. Once your account is created, you will be taken to the Google Workspace Admin Console. Explore the different features available, such as email, storage, and collaboration tools. If needed, set up Gmail for your business email by following the prompts. You may also want to configure additional settings, such as security and user management. After everything is set up, log into your new business email account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.